You are welcome back. Today's topic is equation of a straight line passes through 2 points. So to do this, we are going to consider a straight line AB. We are going to consider a straight line AB by drawing XY plane. So we have a straight line AB. So we have point A here, point A of coordinate x1, y1, and we have point B of coordinate s2, y2. Then we have unknown variable P of coordinate s, y. So we now form a right angle triangle. Okay, this is x-axis, and here is what? Y-axis. So we now form a right angle triangle along AB and along AP. AB and AP. So AB, we have a big right angle triangle. Then we have the vertical axis. So then along AP, we have this. Then we have this. So what we're going to do now, we trace this to the x-axis. So this is our x1, then this is our variable x along the x-axis, then variable s2, then along y-axis we have y1, then at point P we have y, then point B we have y2. Then the difference between AP along the horizontal axis is s minus x1. Then between P and B along the horizontal axis is s2 minus x. Then distance AP along vertical axis is y minus y1. Then distance PB along vertical axis is y2 minus y minus y. Then we are going to look for another distance, that is from A to B. From A to B, the distance AB along the horizontal axis, we have that is S2 minus x1. That's x2 minus x1. Then the same thing goes for distance AB along the vertical axis. That is along the vertical axis. That is y2 minus y1. So we are going to consider the main point theorem. So to consider the main point theorem of distance of 3 points along a straight line. So we are going to make use of gradient formula, which is gradient of line AP equals to the gradient of what? Gradient of AB. Gradient of line AB. And what is gradient of AP? Gradient of AP, having theta here. So this theta will serve triangle AP. Let's say we have C here. So it will serve triangle APC. And it will serve triangle AB, let's say D. So what we are going to do now, we look for the gradient of AP. Gradient of AP is opposite, and opposite to theta from triangle APC is what? Y minus y1. So we now have gradient, which is changing y over changing s. That is m equals to y minus y1 all over the adjacent to theta is s minus x1. So which is the same thing as what? Gradient of AB. And gradient of AB is from, that is the big right angle triangle. it's not going to be opposite. Opposite is opposite to theta, that is from B to what? To D. It will be y2 minus y1 all over. Then the adjacent to theta along the horizontal axis is s2 minus x1. So m equals to y minus y1 all over s minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 all over s2 minus s1. So just equate the point, the second and the third ratio that we have. So we have y minus y1 all over s minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 all over s2 minus s1. So the equation of the line passes through 2 points is given as y minus y1 all over s minus s1 equals to y2 minus y1 all over s2 minus s1. So we can as well write it as y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 all over s2 minus x1, then open bracket s minus s1. So you can make use of this as well, make use of the second formula. So that is the equation of a straight line passes through 2 points. And the 2 points are s1 y1, that is the first point, and s2 y2, that is the second point. So we move to the example. The first example says, obtain the equation of a straight line joining the points 3, 1 and 2, 2. So solution. So if you check the equation, we're given x1, y1. And x1, y1 is given as 3, 1 and s2, y2 is given as 2, 2. So to get the equation of a line that join these 2 points together, so we bring out the formula that says y minus y1 all over s minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 all over s2 minus x1. So y will remain y, x will remain x, because we are looking for the equation of a straight line. So y minus y1 is what? 1. So y minus 1 all over x minus x1 is 3. So minus 3 equals to y2. y2 is 2. So which is 2 minus y1, that is 1, all over s2, that is 2 minus s1, 3. So we now simplify. So to do this, we are going to simplify, which is y minus y1 all over x minus x, y minus 1 all over s minus 3 equals to 2 minus 1, that's 1, 2 minus 3, that's minus 1. So the next thing to do is to cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, we are going to have y 1 into y minus 1 equals minus 1 into s minus 3 into s minus 3. So the next thing to do is to open the bracket. We have y minus 1 equals minus x plus 3. So we now have y minus 1 or y equals to minus x plus 3 plus 1. So y equals minus x plus 4. You can as well write it as s plus y equals 4. So the equation of a straight line passes through the point or joining the point 3, 1 and 2, 2 is s plus y equals 4. So that is that on example 1. So example 2 says, find the equation of a straight line passing through the points a, b and b, a. So it means our x1, y1 is given as a, b and s2, y2 is given as b, a. Then the equation of a line formula is y minus y1 all over s minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So y1 is y minus y1 is what? B. So y minus b all over x minus x1. That's A equals to y2. So y2 is A minus y1, that is b, all over s2, that is b, minus x1 a. So we now we can write this as a minus b all over minus a plus b. So which is the same thing as a minus b all over, the common factor here is minus, so factor of minus, so you'll be left with a minus b. So instead of minus a plus b, so we have minus open bracket a minus b. So we can now have it as y minus b all over s minus a equals to a minus b all over a minus b. So a minus b is a minus b1, a minus b is a minus b1. So you are left with 1 over minus 1. So we have 1 over minus 1. So the next thing to do is to cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have y minus b equals to minus 1 into s minus a. So into s minus a. So we now move y minus b equals to minus 1 into s minus a. So by opening the bracket, we have y minus b equals minus 1 times x, that's minus x. Then minus 1 times minus a, that is plus a. So we have y equals minus x plus a plus b. So you can write this as s plus y equals to a plus b. So the equation of a straight line passing through the point a comma b and b comma a is s plus y equals to a plus b. So that is that on question 2. So we are going to stop here. Thank you and God bless.